Hello guys, today quick video on how to put your VW Touran 2016 and onwards into the rear brake service mode. So release your electronic handbrake. I'm gonna use Topdon tool today. So we need to plug in the dongle into the OBD socket, which is usually under the dashboard. Turn the ignition on and make sure that you have got fully charged battery to activate this function. So what you will need to do now is go into the services, make sure your tool is up to date, and there's plenty of option on the phonics light too. But what we're gonna need is the brakes. It can also be called electronic parking brake. So this is the next window you're gonna get with all the vehicles on there. We need VW, ignition on, and gonna tell you to have 12 volts on the battery. You can connect the charger, or make sure obviously you got a good battery. Ignition on, engine off, and other models, and you've got two settings there, and usually one might work, the other one might not work. I've tried the 53, doesn't work, so you're going to go on that one, and you got the next step is to prepare to replace the brake pads, obviously discs, and then after you've done the job you will have to perform this setting as well, which is after replacement. So click on that, you're going to connect to it, so it tells you what's going to happen. You can hear it opening up. Once it's stopped, it's gonna give you the message on here. As you can see, it's stopped now. You got the message, it's open now, so you're ready to take the caliper off, replace everything, and then once you're done, you have to go to the other setting. Once you finish the job, all you do is the other setting, perform this function to replace the brake pads. Yep. So it's all done for you, as you can see, and just follow the settings all the way through on the tool and the job should be done properly.